Welcome to everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix screen want to turn on Samsung A04S. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. Scroll down and click on reset. After click on reset, click on reset all settings, reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue. Again tap on reset, so it just reset all setting. It's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on general management. Click on reset, scroll down and click on factory data reset and click on reset, enter phone pin, click on continue. Again click on delete all. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.